welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Hello everyone. Guess what? We're going to Bohol. So join us today and be with us while we experience Bohol. So this is our first time going to Bohol. So it will be an exciting adventure for us, right, Nina?
Yeah.
Okay. See you later.
See ya later.
Okay, bye. Weep. Boarding na kami. Kami ay boarding na. Pupunta na kami ng bus. Kami ay magugay papuntang BGC. Saan ka punta? BGC?
Monumento Station lang ako.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. I know.
So Becky brings up. Caramel cookies, water or coffee, and then tissue. Feeling ko nasa ano na tayo. Nasa tapat na tayo ng Marinduque. O kaya Romblon. Chocolate Hills. Where? There.
Polar brown. The polar brown. See the polar brown? Oh no.
There.
See the polar brown?
All I can see is the color green.
I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
아버님 어디 간다는 거야? 아니.
naglalakad kami papuntang Alona Beach. Daming tao, ang dami din kainan. So, eto na. Papakita ko sa inyo yung beach. You're done? Touch it again. So, what can you say about Bohol? About the beach?
Good start.
Good start. How about the end?
Good start.
Good start and then the end.
First booking, dili.
Sad start. Sad end.
So, sad end because you wanted to stay, no? Nina. There's someone already at the back.
Are you kidding me?
The annoying?
Yeah.
Who is he?
Tito
Annoying?
Tito Ardel.
Megamind.
Yes.
Annoying Megamind. So, balik kami dun sa una naming nakita na Tito Big's Belly. Dun kami kakain.
Hey, yeah, that's his name. That's the name.
Tito Big's Belly?
Yeah.
Ninong, that's your name pala. Tito Big's Belly.
That's it. The name. That's your restaurant.
Yeah. So, dyan kami kakain sa Tito Big's Belly. Tito's Big Belly. Lechon.
Ito ano? Yung ano?
Labot.
Ito manok oh.
Haggard. Tapos na kaming kumain. Ngayon, babalik kami dun sa ice cream. Honeybee ice cream. Tapos, tatry namin yung as dessert. Ito nga pala itsura ng Alona Beach during night time. Wait lang. Charcoal.
Avocado ate. Sarap na.
Salted caramel.
Box ba mo?
Sarap naman.
Ako naman.
Oy! Wag kang kumagat. Nina, what's your flavor? Oy, me too.
Malat. Salted yan.
Malunggay sa'yo, te? Avocado. Harap. 80 pesos ang isang scoop. 80. Harap. Honeybee ice cream. Honeybee. Basta yun, may bee. Sarap pala, ang daming pila.
Wala nga pala, tayo lang nga.
Ano flavor sa'yo, Lan?
Mango.
Mango? Masarap?
Up.
Oh, sarap naman. Ano yung apa niya? Ha? Maalat eh, no? Pag... Ngiti ka. Ayan, ngiti. Hindi kami nakapagdala ng pang swimming kaya tampi-tampisaw na lang ang peg. Tampi-tampisaw na lang muna. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami mamasyal. Daming tao. Super traffic din. Pabalik na kami sa MCA hostel. Yung tricycle dito is nag-range sa 200 to 250. 200 usually. Pero minsan may nag-aas ng 250.